Hello guys, hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. Just wanted to give a update on a training that actually coming up very soon. It's at 9 a.m. Eastern time, which is a Saturday if you actually residents of US, right? 9 a.m. EST time, and as you can see on my screen, this is one of the leader in the community that we part of, the Business Academy, right? And you can see she did a post about 22 hours ago. So she goes, hey everyone, we wanted to let you know that for our new member orientation this coming Saturday, which is basically in about 13 hours from now, due to popular demand, after he shared his strategy on Premium Mastermind, Sanjeev has agreed to teach his full YouTube automation strategy in details with us, right? So what does that mean, right? So basically they approached me for me to share my what I was actually doing to get the results I was actually getting in the business, right? So, and after I shared my strategy, they got more curious and members wanted to know more, right? So I'm doing a live masterclass, which is going to be, I believe, in 12 or 13 hours from now, right? And basically, and his training will be placed in premium back office, right? So we decided to do it live so that the members can actually ask questions live on the call with me, right? And all members are welcome. You can use the same link. We're excited and we hope to see you all there. Sanjeev will also do question and answers at the end. So it's a great time to access him for questions as well, right? So this training is going to be jam-packed because I have actually put a formula in place where I take my YouTube automation channels and also I plugged affiliate marketing into that YouTube automation business model, right? So it actually works hand in hand, and I've shared with you like many videos sharing my strategies. So on this call I'll be going over everything like step by step, right? So what I do, how I actually hire the team and all that good stuff, right? So you can also see they have also posted my photo in the group, and this group has got 6,700 members inside that group, right? So it's going to be a great valuable time that I'll be sharing with you, with everyone, the strategy, what I'm using to get the results I'm actually getting in the business model. And I highly recommend anyone who's actually struggling with affiliate marketing normally, but also I'll share a lot of information on YouTube automation channel and how I build and also scale my YouTube automation channels. But this is like any other business, what I always tell people, right? It takes time, but the formula is already up in place. And once you start to implement on that, you're gonna get results and you're gonna get sales, you're gonna make commissions, you're also going to be making AdSense revenue, right? Most of the time when people actually start any business, they're not making any money. But the good thing about this, when you actually combine affiliate marketing and also YouTube automation together, that way you can make some money, right? Because YouTube is paying you through AdSense, and you might not even need that many viewers, because for example, if you get like 1,000 views, out of that 1,000 views, you just get one person to go ahead and buy your affiliate products or services. You're gonna be making good money that way as well, right? So actually works both ways, but if you combine it together, that's where the magic happens. And that's what I'll be sharing with you in this call that's actually coming up today, 9 a.m. Eastern time, which is a Saturday morning in USA. It's going to be 12 a.m. IED time, right? And you can actually do the conversion. So if you want to actually get on the call as well, I'll leave the link in the description, the first link. You're going to click on that and access it, and that way you don't miss out. Any questions you have, just put in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer each and every single question that you might have. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and I'll see you on the inside. Bye for now. God bless you.